Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I've got another recommendation. This recommendation comes in from Chloe Smith and she wants me to do Shotgun George Ezra. But before I do get into that guys, I need to make a massive shout out to this guy, Jake Vincent, as he's now just hit 600 subscribers. He's now currently on 603, so a massive shout out to him, mate. To you, mate. So go subscribe to him, go check him out. He's doing some awesome stuff guys. But yes, this is a recommendation by Chloe Smith, Shotgun George Ezra, and I hope you all enjoy it. Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Something changed in the atmosphere, altered texture, unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around if you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. South of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving round the clock, bikini bottoms, lager tops, I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We've got two in the front, two in the back, sailing along and we won't look back. Back, 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 back. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone, 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 someone. There we go guys, that was Shotgun George Ezra, a recommendation by Chloe Smith. I hope you did enjoy that guys as much as I enjoyed getting that one out. And yes guys, tomorrow's video is going to be my own song that I said I was going to be getting out, which is called Lonely. So look out for that guys tomorrow. Please keep liking and subscribing guys. And yes, I will see you in the next video guys. Take care.